What up, YouTube? This is my 2012 Haro Zebra Custom. Start out with the front end. Got a duo tire with an Alienation Black Sheep double wall front rim. Fit forks. Ordered new ones though. These fucking suck shit. I got a Primo headset with a premium dust cover in teal. Profile push stem, I believe. If anybody can tell me what this stem is, please let me know. I'm not 100% sure. Got the shadow voltage bars and 8.5 rise, 28 width. Took off the shadow sticker. Looked kind of fucking stupid in the position it was at. Blue, cyan blue, ODI long neck grips, some random ass fucking metal bar ends. Got the flat cherry red Haro Zebra frame. 20.5 top tube length. Got a gold cam C chain with a DK sprocket, DK cranks, root beer, Odyssey twisted PCs. Repping the Dance Comp sticker on the frame, you know how it is. Got the silly bands, 10 cents a bag, drug money. Got a DK fluorescent pink seat clamp, DK post, DK seat, whatever. Got a CST tire from a tire package on Dance Comp, and 2012 Aaron Ross AM back rim. Do a hub sound for you.
I think it's quiet.
Very quiet, good for night riding, if you know what I mean. Got a black valve cap that I stole off a car. Pink valve cap stole from Walmart.
Getting them bullets.
Love that free shit, but yeah, this is my bike. Ordered some new shit for it, trying to change it up a little. Forks are fucking really bad, bent, and color's really fucked up. But yeah, this is my bike. Weighs about 25 pounds or so. Bike, really good low budget frame. But yeah, comment, rate, hate, whatever.
Eat a butt.